Welcome to Sedcol TVET College of Department of Higher Education and Training. I am Dr. George Mutapo and I'm the principal of the college. The vision of the college, which has been approved by the council of the college, is to provide quality education, promote 4IR, and also promote green technology. The management of the college consists of 4 deputy principals, which are Deputy Principal Academic, Deputy Principal Corporate Services, Deputy Principal Finance, as well as Deputy Principal Registrar. We also have an extension of the management which include the campus managers.
We experienced challenges previous years where we had serious shortage of qualified staff. Artisans were running short in the country, and as a result the Department of Education launched a decade of the artisan, and we took very serious interest into that. As a result, we then decided to partner up with Sedcol College, where the intention was to breed our own artisans. We have workshop facilities that are accredited by 2 big manufacturers, being Mercedes-Benz as well as Scania. We have a technical team that has got experience, and all we needed was people that we could transfer skills to, people that we could develop. Looking around us, Sedcol College gave us an appetite. We then signed a memorandum of understanding with them, and as a result it ended up having great results where we had more than 20 students that qualified, with Olifantsfontein, which is now the Indlela, qualified through the internship of Ipelageng Transport Trust.
I went to Sedcol College to further my studies. I did spray painting and panel beating. Down the line, when our program was about to end, we went to Ipelageng Transport Trust to do our practicals, because for us to get our certificates, we needed our practicals. So we went there. For me, I came here for 2 months. For 2 months, it was this November and December. We came here during the holidays, also on Fridays.
Komatsu is a mining company in partnership with Cummins. We form a partnership with Sedcol, and we realized that the skills in the mining industry is short skills. And what Komatsu and Cummins did is we set up this project to look at the unemployed local communities in the Sedcol Sobukeng area. And what we did is we set up a tech workshop where we can train the skills and the knowledge for students in the community.
I remember in 2018, we were told that there's a program that is coming in college. It's called the Tech Program. I remember going to for my first interview. It was scary, but it was a life experience, you know, because then here you are in school and they're telling you that you already have a job. You're not even finished in school yet, but you already have a job. So in that way, you get motivated to do more.
I've learned a lot. I've learned how to build a whole machine, all the procedures that go into it, safety that we should always consider, because in our line of work, safety is a very important thing. But I could say that it's still a nice experience. I'm on my 3rd year now. By beginning of March, I'll be starting my 3rd year. I've built the transmissions, I've built wheel stations, I've built engines, I've built 2 excavators, I've built dump trucks since I've been in the 3 years that I've been here. And it's something that I enjoy a lot. I wouldn't trade it for anything else.
In 2018, decided to register in Sedcol College. And since I had a bad experience, I do not wish to see another person being struggling like I was struggling. So I would mentor the next person with skills, motivation, and telling him or her the background that I had. And in life, you're not supposed to give up easily.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy that I got a chance to get this opportunity and telling myself that, you know what, I have to grab this opportunity with both hands, because there are people outside looking for a job. Like, it's not easy at all to find a job, but then here I am working for Komatsu, which is a good working environment. People here are good, like they're so friendly. They have care. That's what I can say about them.
We attract students as far as Limpopo, Eastern Cape, and now lately KwaZulu-Natal and Free State, even Northwest. And I always say to students, but I don't understand. You drove all the way coming to Sedcol TVET College, and along the way you passed a number of TVET colleges. And they always say, no, Mini, we come here because those who are here, who are from our areas, they are encouraging us. If you want to go to a TVET college, go to Sedcol TVET College. So that tells you a lot about the brand Sedcol TVET College.
Civil engineering is all about the science behind structures, behind buildings, behind bridges, and everything that is a structure. It's not only about the brick and mortar, we also deal with the integrity of the structures, concrete structures, steel structures. So that is what we teach here, and the whole science behind the manufacture of the products, the manufacture of the materials, how to use the materials, which materials are best suited for which applications, and also the tools, the plants, the equipment, and the technology behind construction, basically.
Here in automotive, we deal with all cars. We don't deal with a name of the car. We deal with the car's parts, car engines, the suspension, the gearbox, the diff, everything on the cars. This is what we do on the motor mechanic.
Sedcol College buyona nje izo-inspire ukuthi wenze le course. Xa ufika introduce kuyo, introduce kuyo, uyaba inspired already, like you wanna know more ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uma ufika ungena phakathi college, ubona ama-workshop, ubona ama-engines, yonke into, everything is there. Like you are inspired already ukuyibona. Sedcol College, the lectures are so amazing now. Practically, they go hand in hand now. And then you get apprentices like Komatsu and then Cummings. You get to be exposed to a company, Ipelegen company. I was there. They are practically in 70 seasons.
My role here as a senior lecturer is to ensure that electrical workshops are well equipped. Everything is running according to the way the department works. So here we've got 4 NCV core vocationals that we are offering. We've got a workshop practice, we've got electrical systems and construction, we've got electronics, digital control. We also have electrical principle and practice.
We start by teaching the students how to use the instruments and how to use it to measure.
wherever you are using electricity, you have to have safety and know all the regulations about it. And it's all about the materials that they're using, which is your cables and your tools. And again, it's all about the networks. How is it that you're going to connect your circuits? It's either in series or in parallel or in series parallel.
At the moment, we are busy training our students to enter for the competitions for world skills.
Usually here at the college we use AC motors. We use it for practicals, and we have learned a lot of experience about the practicals because we usually learn how to connect our DBs.
My dream is to change the life of others, because nowadays in South Africa we are facing a problem when it comes to load shedding. So I'm here as a student of electrical infrastructure and construction, so that 5 years down the line I can be able to do whatever it takes in my power to help my country so that we cannot face this load shedding.
Hospitality, it's basically, in my understanding, it's about giving passionate food to people that love food. Ne? Another thing about hospitality is to cater for people's needs, because it's broad. It's not only about food. We also have hotels that cater leisure, they cater accommodation, housekeeping. So when you do hospitality, not only you're going to concentrate about being a chef, you can also start your own businesses. Like for instance, you can do a franchisee, buy a franchisee, or you can build your own empire, or start a hotel, or start a restaurant, or even do a catering business. So hospitality is very broad. Some people, they also do boat cruises. So it's a very broad department. Some people, the front of house, like in hotels, you will see receptionists, they also did hospitality. You will see people that work in housekeeping, they also did hospitality. So hospitality is very broad. It depends what really triggers the most, because in the theoretical context, we cover all of the concepts regarding hospitality.
The reason why I chose hospitality is because of passion from a very young age. Growing, seeing people cooking based on TV master chefs and all of that, it came to me as a warmth growth inside to tell myself that this is what I want to do, this is where I want to be. And looking at myself today, it groomed me into loving being in the kitchen most of the times, because since I do hospitality at home, I'm always the one cooking every day.
Here in Sedcol, we offer mechatronics level 2, level 3, level 4. So in these different levels, we introduce students to these scientific fields. First, we start by introducing them to basic electrical, mechanical, and then when they get to level 4, that is where we do advanced mechatronics. The reason why we introduce mechatronics, as we are all aware that as a world, we're actually moving towards Industry 4.0. So when we're talking about Industry 4.0, we're talking automation, nothing else. That is pure mechatronics.
At Sedcol College, I'm currently doing mechatronics, which is a new subject being introduced in South Africa. And doing a subject like this is really kind of fun, because a lot of people really don't know about it and what's really going on. So that's what also drove me to choosing mechatronics and coming to Sedcol to do mechatronics. So doing mechatronics, so far I've really enjoyed it, because it's taught me really a lot of stuff. And also the thing I like about mechatronics, it's a combination of different fields. So I can do mechanical, my electrical, and also my IT in mechatronics. That's what I really like about mechatronics.
Sedcol College has made a little bit of progress in the last few years as far as updating their IT components and their IT syllabus is concerned. We've reached a partnership with Cisco, and we're incorporating new developments in terms of robotics and mechatronics and everything IT related that can be incorporated in a wide range of applications and jobs outside. And the fact that we have this partnership with Sedcol at the moment from the IT department makes that our content is updated with the newest developments and technology available as it relates to the real world outside. So it's really up to date, and it offers people something with real value that they can go out and apply somewhere else in the world.
I'm very glad that I've been able to achieve a lot of stuff when it comes to my IT course, because I've been able to complete my Sedcol certification, and right now I'm aiming to get my second certification. And it's very useful because we also get to have practical things whereby you can also get to use them in real life, not just theory. So that is more advantageous because we can get to even use them in careers.
Thank you to our students who chose Sedibeng TVET College to shape their future. For business and industry to trust us, we want to appreciate your time, and we want to say that the college is in good hands. The college, Sedibeng TVET College, grow with the flow.